Hey everybody, today's video is a collaboration with Claire's Crafty Corner and others who have joined in the collaboration. And since it's a collaboration, I remember to paint my nails. This is the color Just Bitten that I got in the last Dollar Tree haul. Isn't it pretty? Okay, today's focus, I will be working on these little ghosts. I'm going to try to also do the pumpkins, and I also want to try to do these little round ones. And I will be using the silvery white for the ghost, and I will be using orange for the pumpkin, and these, if I get to these, will be clear resin with something put in them. Okay, I'm going to mix my resin. I got my resin mixed up, and boy, I made way too much. I made 2.5 milliliters of each, which gave me 5 milliliters, and that is too much for each of these little pieces. And my cup isn't clean, so I'm probably going to have some black specks in my little ghosties, but that's okay. Yep, I see some black specks going in. And the faces don't really want to fill in there. Oh, that's a big piece of black. Oh, come on, go in. Okay, my little ghosts are full. And I'm not going to clean that out. I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit more resin and add my orange. I got my orange mixed up, and I'm going to pour it into the pumpkins. Oh, I see some more black going in, but that's okay. I'll just have speckled pumpkins. I'm okay with that. And it looks like I didn't get enough of the orange mixed up. Make sure you always clean out your cups before you start your next project, but I was in a hurry because I am definitely late getting this done. Things happened, y'all. I tried. I think I'm just going to add a little bit of clear in here. Mix that in a little bit. And this is the back side, it really doesn't matter. It looks like it mixed in to me, so I'm okay with that. All right, now the next thing I want to do is try to go ahead and put my earring backs, because I'm making these into earrings. I'm going to go ahead and try to put my earring backs into the ghost. I made a template to put them in, so let's see if I can get this to go in correctly. Oh, that's too, I need to adjust them a little bit. That looks good to me, and I am going to set them where I think they need to go. I don't know if that's going to work. I've never done it before, but I'm going to find out. All right, these are cured, and I was in a hurry this morning, and I forgot that when I put in the stick that I needed to have it up on something taller than this so that I could push those and just have them sort of kind of sitting on it. I don't know what I was thinking. And when I put them down on it, of course, it squished out my resin, so I had to end up filling them up again and take this out. and I'm going to have to put the backs on with another method. I did get these to sit in there, and let's go ahead and unmold these and see what they look like. Oh, those are cute. Unfortunately, you can see the jewelry piece, but that's okay. My granddaughter is going to end up with these, so she's not going to care if you can see the wire. She also won't care if that's in there either. They're cute though. Just sort of kind of looks like a defective pumpkin, huh? Let's see what the ghosts look like. And I am okay with having the little spots in it. Like I said, she wanted these, so she's not really going to care if they have some little issues on them or not. I still think they're cute. I like how they look. And then the last ones I put confetti in them, a piece of confetti in them, and that's what they look like. And yes, they do have the other stuff in them, but like I said, these are for my granddaughter, and she's not really going to care. And when I put the earring back on these, since they're clear, you're going to be able to see it anyway. And I am going to go ahead and get those out, and I'm going to attach them first with just a UV flashlight, and then I'm going to put them under the curing machine. I decided that I liked the back side better than I like the front side because I don't like seeing the little black spots. And I decided to go ahead and put some UV resin on them, and I'm doing a really quick flash cure here. I think that will look better. I know my granddaughter won't care, but I do. I'm going to go ahead and add some more UV resin to the back of the pumpkin to make sure that that's going to stay on. Oops, that's all right. Let me see if I can make it go over there where I want it to be. I'll get this one. All right. Oops, sorry, hit the camera. And next are the little ghosts. I have to put the backs on those. I'm just going to put a little dot here and a little dot here. They look centered to me. And I'm going to cure them, and I'll be back. These are the 6mm backs, and I think they work pretty good for these little earrings. Now I have the metal stoppers on them, and that's the front of those. Oops. Had a piece of confetti on that one. There's the pumpkins. And that's how the skulls turned out. I think those are cute. And there's the ghost. I think the ghost turned out cute. I like that I went ahead and put the dome on the front of them. I think that helped a lot. So yeah, there you go. 3 little pair of Halloween earrings. I like how they turned out. My granddaughter is going to love them. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so very much for watching. Thank you, Miss Claire, for once again hosting a collaboration. Thanks to everyone else who joined. And I will catch you all on the next video. Leave me a like if you liked the video. Please leave me a pumpkin emoji in the comments if you made it to the end. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you all. Bye.